The original concept for this artwork began as a hand-drawn sketch. And so one of the really popular things that people who are creating vector artwork will do is to take a scanned image or digital image and use it to trace to create new vector artwork. And so that's what we're going to do in this activity. However, it's a bit of a jump to go straight into a sketch and create vector art. And so I've actually created a template that will help you as you learn how to create original shapes using the pen tool in Inkscape. It'll help guide you to make it easier for you to kind of see what you're doing and get the basic concepts down. But know that this idea of using a template is still relevant to you past this project, and it's something that you can incorporate into your workflow for your own projects in the future. And so we need to import our template file into our document. And so come over to your layers palette and make sure that you're on the template layer. And then we'll go to File and Import. And we want to open the Sea Turtle template. And so that will place it inside our page in the document. You don't always get this lucky and have it aligned vertically and horizontally on the page. And so you'll want to know how to use the Align and Distribute feature here of Inkscape. And so you can either open it up here in this menu, or you can go to Object and open it up here down at the bottom. And so when you open that up, you'll have a dialog box that gives you the ability to decide how you want to align the objects. And so we want to select this object and align it relative to our page. And then you've got some options here about how to align. And so we want to align vertically and then horizontally. And we can see by clicking both of these that it was already done. However, now you know in the future, if it's not aligned how you want it, how to do that. And so now we're ready to go back. We'll close this dialog box, we'll go back to our layers, and the last thing I want to do is lock this layer, because we don't want to accidentally select this, because we're just using it as a tracing image, and so it's not part of our actual artwork. And so by being on its own layer, we can lock it so that we don't accidentally select it or delete it or move it. We can also hide it from time to time to see our progress on our project. And so now we have our template set up and we're ready to begin creating the artwork itself.